Nice 4.92 acres. Has unfinished 220 square feet tiny home. Insulated and has some electric installed. Toilet and base for shower. Shower walls in box. Also vinyl plank flooring in boxes will convey. Finish out or build your dream home. Not far from Beaver Lake, access in 2 directions. Peaceful, quiet country setting for full-time or cabin. The area is surrounded by Hobbs State Park Wildlife Management Area, so the roads are well maintained. Hobbs is the largest state park in Arkansas. The 12,054-acre park spans the southern shore of Beaver Lake. The park includes over 36 miles of trails for hiking, mountain biking, horseback riding, campsites, an outdoor shooting range, closed on Mondays for maintenance, an interactive visitor center, and is the only state park in Arkansas to allow regulated hunting. The property abuts Hobbs on the north boundary. Equal distance to Rogers or Eureka Springs. 2 10 by 16 storage buildings available for extra $1, or they will be moved prior to closing.